one of the questions that comes up is privacy when it comes to a workers' comp claim. And the reality is that there isn't a whole lot of privacy that you have a right to when it comes to your case. The HIPAA laws, the privacy of your medical records does not apply. The employer and the insurance carrier can get any records related to your workers' comp injuries without your permission. They don't need you to sign an authorization to get those records. That's one thing where your privacy goes away. They're paying the bills. The law says they're allowed to see the records. The other thing that goes away is any privacy in your personal life outside the interior of your home. So potentially there will be surveillance. The private investigators are hired. They will follow people. They will videotape them in their yards, or I say tape. They will video them in the yards. They will video people at the grocery store, coming and going from the doctor, coming and going from nurse case manager meetings, coming and going from their lawyer's office. Those are common times when people are surveilled because the insurance adjuster already knows where they're going to be that day and where they're going to be going. And so there is no law that prohibits this. The only thing that cannot be done and it be used in court is if they were to videotape you through a window inside your home. And that's about it. If you're on private property, they can video you in your yard. If you're in any public space, that can be done, and you don't have any right to privacy there. It is permissible, and it is done. And that can be even in a situation where you believe that there is some sort of privacy right, a doctor's waiting area. I've seen that happen. I've seen surveillance of people going to sit in waiting areas of other types of healthcare providers, their family doctor. That's not the workers' comp doctor. These are the kinds of things that can and do happen, and you have to be aware of. The other thing that these private investigators will do is they will comb through any social media. So anything that you've got public, they're going to pull that, they're going to print it, and if they can use it, they will. So when somebody comes in to see me, I give them some information in writing to explain how that works and the do's and don'ts, the details of what to do and what not to do when it comes to things like Facebook and Instagram, any social media platform. There are guidelines that we give the clients that actually come to us from the North Carolina State Bar as to what we're supposed to tell our clients about how to handle these kinds of things, because they can be tricky. So yes, you are to an extent going to be subject to what you may feel like is an invasion of your privacy, but legally we have a lot less privacy than we realize, especially when you've got a workers' compensation claim that's pending. If you have any questions about your case, if you feel like you may need help with your workers' comp claim, give us a call at Dodge Jones. I'm happy to sit down and talk with you and let you know what I can do to help.